There's a lot of booze on the bar here. Des and Jeff Watch Stuff is now in session. We're going to talk about a show we found on Amazon Prime called The Sticky.
Yeah, I'm still trying to decide what to drink on this bar because...
Oh, you didn't like any of this stuff, did you?
No.
All right, okay. Well, real quick, Miller High Life still sucks. Natty Daddy, you only drink it if you want to like really get really drunk. Same thing with Steel Reserve. We made
Just
some.
gonna stick with that.
Yeah, we made some mixed drinks here. This is
I didn't like those either.
gin and Aperol, and we also made what's called a spaghetti, which is Miller High Life.
It doesn't
lemon,
come with meatballs.
No meatballs.
No
and
meatballs.
Meatballs and
No cheese
Aperol.
balls either.
All right, so back to the Sticky. Amazon Prime series. I think there's like 8 episodes. I don't remember the main actress's name. The lady's awesome though. She was in Sneaky Pete, I believe. I don't know, but she always plays like a disgruntled old woman, which is great.
She would play me someday if there was a movie made about us. She could just be me.
One of the guys from Silicon Valley, the guy who the kind of the douchebaggy guy. I don't remember his name either, but he's in it. He's great.
We did not do our research.
No.
You know that guy with the thing.
That guy with that thing, and it's the show is good. It was good enough for us to pretty much binge watch it for, within like a week or so. Mm-hmm. It was good. What is it about? I want to hear your plot synopsis for what this show's about.
It's one of those shows where someone has a noble job or just a regular thing they're trying to do like a normal person, and when stuff doesn't go right in their life, they turn to crime. Kind of like...
Me. Or no, wait, no.
I was going to say kind of like Breaking Bad goes. It's that kind of thing where...
But it deals with maple syrup.
Maple syrup, but with one thing you would think would never be,
So it takes place in Canada, of course.
Oh, yeah.
So it's very Canadian. It's funny and dark at the same time, which is pretty good. Overall, I think it's a good watch. Mm-hmm. They planned this heist, and like nobody in the show is intelligent.
No.
Like they act smarter than they actually are.
Yeah.
Which makes it funny.
Right.
Because they're bumbling criminals basically.
Right.
That don't really know what the hell they're getting into.
Just dog here.
And then we have dogs.
Hi,
dogs. Yeah. We got dogs walking around.
Yeah.
So that is the Sticky in a nutshell. It's on Amazon. Probably no one's watching it because
Well, they should.
there's so many shows that people don't watch anymore.
I know.
This one, what was it 8 episodes maybe? 10 maybe at the most? I think it was 8. They're good. It's good though. It's pretty solid. It's a good watch. If there's a second season, I'll watch it because it did kind of end with a cliffhanger, if I remember.
Yeah.
I'm gonna drink some more of this because why not?
It's a bit of a surprise because I thought I was gonna be bored. Like I really thought, how entertaining can this be? But it's interesting, and it is funny because, like you said, they are bumbling and there's like your normal people who don't know how to be criminals. But are trying really hard to be good at it.
I'm gonna drink Natty Daddy.
Oh
yeah. By the way, on the latest show, we're sampling $3 beers. That's why there's a bunch of junk beer.
Yeah.
But yes,
I'm going, with the Steel Reserve because
Right, because it's 8.1 ABV instead of.
That's the thing, though. That's. It's crappy, but if you can get it down, you'll get drunk in a hurry.
So okay, the Sticky. Yeah, they don't know what they're doing, which makes it funny.
Right.
They think they know what they're doing.
It's unintentionally funny,
What
I think.
is this?
Some kind of very sugary mixed cocktail
Okay, yeah, no.
thing.
Tell me more about it. I'm gonna eat these cherries.
Oh, don't eat those cherries again.
Okay.
Oh, we still have these little shot thingies. We're just finding random things behind the
Yes. So tell me more about the Sticky.
Sorry. What do you want to know about it?
It's good.
It's good. Yeah, so every plan they come up with gets kind of screwed up, and you don't expect it to go as far as it does. Like, you don't, it's one of those shows where you're like, okay, but then something really crazy happens to screw everything up, and you're like, oh, I didn't see that coming.
Jamie Lee Curtis. She shows up in like
she's
the
also
last
like
episode.
a producer or something.
That's right, yeah. So she's in it
She's
too.
in like 2 episodes,
Yeah.
and she's just
Good.
She's
good.
badass.
She is. She's
She
badass.
really is.
And that's the twist at the end of the season that really got me hooked, I think. Like, 'cause I was enjoying it, but I was waiting for I was waiting for that twist, the other shoe to fall.
Yeah.
The other shoe to drop.
Well, you're essentially waiting for, the biggest bad guy to come along,
Yeah.
and here it's her.
Yeah. Yeah, and it's and she puts everything into a new perspective, actually.
Yeah, and taking it, and then ends up taking it in a whole different direction.
Yeah, and like the last, I believe the last scene of the last episode, it's like, okay, I need to see season 2
Yeah.
because it's not all what it seems.
No.
kind of,
And
so.
we like stuff like that because I get bored watching things. I have no attention span. And when I want to sit down, he says, come on, let's watch another episode. Yeah, I'll sit down and watch it. It's one of those kind of things. Do not. What was that?
Doesn't matter.
That was the
between
natty
these two?
and the still.
Yeah, it doesn't matter. Okay, so let's talk
Ew.
score. What do you rate it?
We're doing 1 to 10, right?
1 to 10, yeah. You could do something point whatever.
All right. Well, I'm stingy with my scores
Yeah.
because
You are.
I'm not good with like liking things on TV and stuff. But this, I don't want to score too low.
Right, to me, anything over a 5 is watchable.
Okay, then it's a 6.8.
Oh, wow, that's pretty high. I was going 6.3.
Okay.
I was going 6.3 with this.
I didn't want to go too low because
Because it was good. It was entertaining.
good.
It was entertaining, yeah.
Yeah. But it's not the kind of stuff that I watch. I watch with you.
Yeah.
But if I'm off on my own watching stuff, I'm watching something completely different.
So if you would have seen the trailer for it, you would have been like, nah,
I never would have watched
right.
it. No. That's not true because that's how we ended up watching it.
Okay.
So in this case,
Okay, so they had a good trailer.
it did catch my attention.
Yeah, okay.
And it's hard to catch my attention and keep it, as you know,
Yeah. That's
because
true.
it took us a long time to get together because I have no attention.
Why you keep it's like
That's
the
a-
third time you're
I don't
referencing
know.
our relationship.
No, you referenced it first.
I know. Well, you got to watch the show for that.
Yeah.
The actual show. All right, there you go. Watch The Sticky, Amazon Prime. We got nothing else to do. We're going to be snowed in, I'm sure, soon. It's the middle of the winter.
Dead middle of winter here.
Yeah. So
Let's
there you go.
Keep it fun.
Sticky.
What else you got?
I got another one.
All right.
Don't turn the camera off first.